Early, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
So yeah, y'all, this is a Saturday morning attire. Me and hubby had date night last night, so mama kept the kids overnight, so I'm actually about to go get them. It is, grab my watch, 10:57, so almost 11 o'clock. About to go pick them up, and I actually have some errands to run, and so it's gonna be looking like this running them. At the end of the day, hey, I ain't trying to impress nobody. This hat say wifey. So good morning. Just want to start this vlog with you guys and let y'all know what's going on. So real chill day today. Not really going nowhere. Have to put on some clothes. I didn't even vlog for y'all yesterday. I was cute though. I was cute. I don't even think I took a picture. But anyways, y'all, I got my coffee and my water right here. We still on it. So I'm about to go to that, and I'll check back in with y'all, okay? Keep watching. Alright, y'all, so sit over there, little water. I gotta put this look together. I got to put hubby left the Glock. Break into my sunglass. Oh, okay. Did I put on? Yeah, I had to check, make sure I put on some smell good. But hubby bought me some Dolce & Gabbana. He gave it to me last night. Left it in my dashboard because I didn't want it to be exposed to too much sunlight. But I was finna spray some on. Y'all, it smell good. This is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. Love is Love. It has like a masculine, feminine scent. I'm putting on a little bit. Ooh, that smells real good, sis. That smell good, but y'all know, since I'm licking busted, I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide these haters. These hater blockers. Yeah. Incognito. Y'all don't know who I am. Who is that? Oh, we don't know. We don't know. Perfect shade to wear when you don't have on no makeup and you ain't trying to do all that. Perfect. Although I do need to clean the lens. But yeah, y'all, this is how we going. Looking crazy, but these hater blockers about to hide all of that, and we finna look like a whole vibe just because we put on these hater blockers. Y'all better get y'all some. Link in the description box. All right, Lego. First of all, if y'all grown folks ain't on Janae, Akio, whatever her name is, Janae, whatever, Jeneaiko. If y'all ain't on her, y'all better get on her. What? Y'all gotta stop doing that. Y'all really gotta stop doing that. Like, seriously, like, I I cannot risk something happening to y'all. But if y'all not on her, y'all need to be on her, because this playlist lit, y'all. I'm actually not even on her playlist. I'm on Summer Walker playlist, but I guess, you know, they play a lot of her stuff. Grown people, check it out, particularly the song On My Way. Just saying. Yeah, I'm trying to put y'all on this thing. See, this is not right. Y'all don't ever sit up right here. Let's try this. Y'all not up high enough. I'm gonna have to figure out some other way to put this thing. Oh, this is my song.
Tell me what you wanna do.
All right, y'all. So here at my first stop. Don't look like this place open, but I might need to take the sunglasses off. I look like a robber with this mask and them sunglasses on. All right, let me go see. I'll be back. Oh, got that pack. Water bottle don't waste. Oh, the thing. Okay then. Alright, let me sanitize first. Although I didn't touch nothing but the door. Alright, so now I can go back being incognito with these glasses. I just didn't want to go up in there looking like a robber with this and a mask. I'm already covering up half my face. You can't see me, sis. Like, who is she? Where is she? Who is that? Those are the vibes I'm giving today. All right, so now I think I'm gonna pick up the kids and then figure out what we're gonna eat, because I haven't eaten any breakfast and they probably have, but I want to get something. Are you letting me go or are you gonna go? Thank you. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go pick up the kids and then see what they got going on, y'all. I took my camera off that holder because y'all saw it was not working in my favor. So I took it off. Y'all, I'm digging these hater blockers. Ooh, if only I was looking a little bit more put together, but these are doing a great way of camouflaging. But I'm just gonna go get them, sip on my coffee, and move on with the day. Oh my goodness, y'all. I grew up on this song right here. Let me tell you, Omarion and Bow Wow. Let me hold you down. Yes, the song. So deaf. My mind all the time. I wanna keep you right by my side till I die. I'm gonna hold you down, make sure everything is right with you. You can never go wrong. You can never go wrong. You should let me hold you. You up on what's popping and shaking fresh to death. a stop here at the car wash because your girl's car is dirty. We have a little mud puddle like right beside our driveway, and every morning, just depending on how close hubby has parked the boat to the garage, when I back out, I like literally pop my tire into this whole mud puddle. So like I got some mud like splashed over there on the side of the car, so we better get that off because I cannot be riding around in a dirty whip. Yeah, my car is already like almost white, like creamy white. So no sis, we will not do that. So we're at the car wash.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Alright y'all, so I need to vacuum out my car, but I'm leaving because every single vacuum is full, like, and if it's one available, it's like the person is taking up that spot too because they're like have their mats all over there. So guess I won't vacuum today. Perfect day to vacuum though because I don't have the kids in the car, but it's just too crowded. So oh well, I got the monthly membership, so your girl will come back and wash her car again before this week is over. So yeah, I guess I have to do that later. Alright y'all, so I'm at my mom's, about to go in here and get my children. Ooh, 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 what's really going on? Take my water and my coffee because I'm probably gonna talk for a minute. All right, let's go. I realize I need some Amarol. Let me go spray some Amarol on my tires. I think I got some in the trunk. We can't go with the dull tires now. No, let me find some. The dog barking over there now. Stay where you at, little dog. I ain't got time to hop up in this trunk, but I will. I know I had some Amarol. Okay, yeah. My kids got all these blankets back here. Let me spray some of these on my tires. They still a little dirty. for me. I'm running out. Come on. Get my rim all dirty. I gotta wipe that off. Y'all look, I'm only working with this little bitty corner right here. Little bitty corner. But I got it. Y'all, look at me. Just the ghetto. Just look. This a mask y'all I found in the trunk. But I'm trying to, cause I couldn't find a rag. So I'm up here trying to use this mask to get all this extra. Okay. It's working a little bit. I'm gonna leave this alone. Oh well. I get a rag when I get home. I'll clean it better because this is terrible.
LG Mother House. That's why we LG Mother House. Gma is here. We just made it here and just get the morning. Now my mommy is there. My mommy is in the car and I'm in my car seat. And 7 is him's car seat. It is a new car seat. Now my hair was fixed. Look, so cute.
Marshall.
Isn't my hair cute like this? I believe my hair like this. I didn't know my hair was like this. So, you guys, I don't. Hey!
I'm showing him your hair.
But it just. I saw my birthday on the video. Then my sister's birthday was in a video. Then she like edges. Then my mommy said, "Happy birthday!" Then he said. Then he just laughed. Okay.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
See you later. Bye.
Y'all, I've not been to bargain hunt in so long. Y'all, look at that portable truck. That's a portable truck right there. He real creative though. I would have never thought of that. He gonna get that sofa home. Go, man. Go. Look at him. I hope it don't fall. So you guys, we have run all of our errands, y'all. As you can see, I took the hat off. So don't judge me. You know it's just sitting on my head. But we made it back home, y'all. And I pulled up and there's a package at the door. Don't y'all just love receiving packages? I know I do. So let's go see what it is. Ah. The kids, y'all. 7 James Sweet. There's Amaria. Amia. Y'all, we done went somewhere everywhere, y'all. So we gotta get this stuff out of the car. Not only is there a package at the door, y'all, look, a package right here in my garage. We getting out of the car and I see another package. There is a note. What does this say? Y'all, I got a note. I believe I had this package. January never melted, so I decided to drop it off. You mean to tell me you came to my house and you didn't tell me? Bruh. So, because no money, this girl is a fool. Move over a little bit more. You blocking the writing. This box is the car. I got the first part conversation of how you carry bags for 7, so this person, you're tired of baby. We're tired of baby bags. Let's get into it. Y'all. I'll give her a birthday gift. This is my birthday gift. This is my birthday gift. Oh, this is cute. Yes. Yes, honey. Love it. Yes. Oh, wait. Girl, then she got pink and green down here. You know I'm all for that. What's this? Okay. Yes, some Olay. I'm in that thing, Will. That's what I ordered. No, sweetheart. This is mine. Yes. Oh, let's smell it. We could have took it in the house. Oh, it smells so good. You got to
Can I smell it?
Smell it. Yeah, you can smell it. Smell it. Oh. Girl, you did that because it smells delicious. What else I got down here? Good, we got us some perfumes. Okay. Yes. Say what? Thank you, Jordan. But I can't believe you don't pot up at my house and didn't even tell me. But thank you, girl. Love you. My day has completely been made for this box right here. Thank you again, Jordan. Yes. I missed you. Y'all. Hold on. I gotta use this box. I gotta use this box to prop y'all up. Cause guess what, y'all? Can y'all see? Let me turn on some light. Okay. So y'all should be able to see me a little bit better. But y'all, guess what's coming in mail? Y'all, lashes are here. Boss Lady lashes. So if y'all didn't pre-order, y'all better go get some because now they in stock. I'm gonna open the pack. But yeah, y'all, we got lashes on top of lashes. I told y'all it come in 5-pack. So if y'all didn't see them already, these are the only lashes I wear, so this is what they look like. I absolutely love them. Y'all, my hair just fine. But I absolutely love these. And they come 5-pack, y'all. So go check the website. It's very, very affordable. Y'all know I'm not even gonna do y'all like that. You get a deal, and they're mink. So people out here charging $10 to $15 for one pair. Baby, you getting 5 pair. And I'll go ahead and tell you the price. $15. That's it. That is it. So you guys, very affordable for 5 packs, and they cute. So we're not about to spend all that money. Y'all getting the deals right here. So I got loads and loads of them. So this whole big old bag is packed to the max. So y'all go shop them and get y'all some. Promise you they're gonna be cute. If y'all have not seen me wear them, go check out my Get Ready With Me. I got them. These are the lashes that I'm actually putting on in that video. So that's what I call Boss Lady. So yeah, y'all, go get you some. They're not gonna come packaged like this. Well, they're gonna come in the white thing, but they're not gonna come in this clear packaging. They're gonna come in my packaging, so they'll be packaged prettier. But y'all, oh yes, get you some, because these are too cute. I love them. Easy to put on. The band is thin, so it makes the application a lot easier to apply. I'm getting better, y'all. I'm not a pro, but if you know how to put on lashes, you definitely could rock these and definitely could, you know, show what you got. So y'all go buy. Link in the description box. Let's get back into my gifts though, because I've always wanted to try some of these. And y'all, sis done came through. Whew. Let me show y'all what I got again, since we get some better lighting. Could y'all even see outside? I don't know, Mia was recording, so I ain't gonna tell you what angle she got. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Let me show y'all again. Ah, sis. Oh, let's just talk about this bag though. This is a cute everyday bag. I mean, yeah, love it. And the color with the gold details. Y'all know I love me some gold. I will go accessories and everything. So this will just put me on. I am just absolutely loving this to the fullest. Okay, it's the details for me, sis. Look at the little chain. Yes, honey. She knew I needed to retire my baby bag. But, honey, this is a nice size bag. Oh, and I'm just loving this color. Got my phone. Y'all, I love this little piece right here because, honestly, when you don't want to dig in your purse for your phone, you just slide your phone right here. It's always easy access. Where is my phone? Let me just show you. Let me get my phone. Got the phone. Perfect. Slide you right here. Easy access. What? Who finna search all that for a phone? Not me. Who? I love it, Jordan. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you know what? I gotta do a snap. I have got to do a snap. No wonder she wrote me. Y'all, I'm so upset because she actually asked me earlier what I was doing, and I didn't even see my message because I've been so busy out and about. And speaking of her, how she just, y'all, let me tell you, oh my goodness, I promise you we'll be talking each other up. Literally, y'all saw me just go get my phone, right? I got my phone to text her and do a Snapchat. Why she just replied to me? Why she just replied to me? I'm finna FaceTime her. Girl, you just... I'm FaceTime her right now, y'all. Head looking crazy. Answer! Jordan, why you ain't answering the phone? Unavailable. Maybe she'll call me back. Anyway, I can do my Snapchat. Alright, put it all back in here so I can reveal it on Snap. I ain't even finished showing y'all either. I gotta remind me to continue to show y'all what it is, even though y'all already saw it, but I want to show y'all like myself. Get a snap. Oh, Bob. Mia. Yeah. Spell surprise. Huh? Spell surprise. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Okay, cool. You said S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E? Okay, that's what I put. Snapchat. I sure do. I didn't forget how to spell it. I was just reassuring myself. Got y'all over here.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is, I'm not obvious.